During this portion of the video, I will be demonstrating how to apply garments and pads to a patient that has had liposuction of the outer thighs, hips, and waist. These are three areas that are commonly treated during the same procedure. When the outer thighs and hips have been treated together, a longer HK pad, such as a large, extra large, or rectangle pad, is appropriate. I am using a large, super absorbent HK pad on my patient, being careful to cover all incisions with the absorbent material, so there are no incisions present under the plastic border of the pad. The pad is applied lengthwise. You may need to apply an extra small or small pad to the waist area to adequately cover all the incisions. The edges of the pad must be securely taped without any gaps to prevent fluid from seeping out from the edge of the pad. After the surgical areas are covered with HK pads, latex-free netting is applied. Usually a size 9 or 10 is appropriate, depending upon the size of the patient. 2 pieces of netting are used, one for each leg, with the top portion of each piece covering the torso. A notch is cut out of the netting at about the halfway point. When applying the first piece, both legs are placed in the netting, and as it is slid upward, one leg is inserted through the notch. When applying the second piece, the opposite leg is inserted through the notch. In this way, the legs are not bound together by netting, and an opening is created between the legs, yet the netting enables the pads to remain securely in place while applying the HK compression garments. Once the pads and nettings are in place, the HK maximum compression garment is applied. It is important to adjust the garment and center the seams prior to pulling it all the way on. A twisted garment is uncomfortable and results in a poorly placed crotch opening, making it difficult to use the restroom. The maximum short zipper overall garment supports the thighs, buttocks, hips, abdomen, knee, and waist area without compromising comfort. It extends from below the breast to above the knee and has adjustable, detachable shoulder straps. Some other garments that may be used for the outer thighs, hips, and waist area are the HK Optimum Torso Garment, the HK Optimum Breast Torso Garment, or the Optimum Tank Torso. But with the torso garments, it is important that the HK pads on the hips are completely covered. If the edge of the pads are exposed, it is much more likely for drainage to seep from the edges. The Maximum Zipper Overall, the HK Optimum Overall. The following items were used in this informational video: disposable exam panties, HK Super Absorbent Pads, latex-free elastic netting, maximum short zipper overall.